got another e-bike, and now this is the TIF Gallop FM110, and this was sent out to me to put together and put to the test. Now I know it's nothing like the sport bikes over here. I think it's still gonna be a lot of fun, so let's get straight into the unboxing. And I'm not gonna lie, I did already break into this thing and just take a peek at what was kind of in here. Today we're getting the full unboxing. Bang. Okay, we're gonna have to pull all this out as one. Phone mount? Oh, sick. Oh, look at that. It's got a screen on it. That's kind of sick, not gonna lie. Okay, so I know this thing's not yellow, but it's purple. So that's kind of cool. Maybe we'll turn it yellow. Packaging's actually not bad, not gonna lie. Pretty easy. We're already almost fully disassembled. And everything is individually packaged, so that's nice. Ooh, wait, look at the levers. Okay, front wheel, bang. Look at those tires. Dude, those are thick. That's ready for some all-terrain. We're just take this thing off-roading. It's gonna be fun. Comfortable seat. Ooh, it's like a grip seat kinda. She comes almost already put together. That's surprising. So where are the, oh, the pedals are probably in that box. That would make sense, kinda. Okay. All right, that makes sense, right? What do you think, cameraman? No? Yes? You're not helping. The bike's fully unboxed. As you can see, we've got rear shock, side plastic, kickstand, front fender. Some goodies are in that box. That's a mystery box. That's just an air pump. That's the headlights. So pretty straightforward. Overall, it looks pretty sick out of the box, and it's almost put together. So we're gonna go ahead and get straight into this and put the front wheel on, put the handlebars on, and see what this thing is capable of. As you can see, it is night though. So we're gonna do what we can tonight and see how far we can get. But yeah, stay tuned while we put this thing together. All right guys, and just like that, we have the TIF Gallop Fireman 110 fully pieced together. And now my overall thoughts starting off, I think it looks pretty sick. This is a little bit different. As you can see, this thing has pedals on it. So that's different. As you guys know, I ride sport bikes, not pedal bikes. I guess we're touching the roots of where I came from. What's up, bro? What's up, bro? What's up, dude? It's like an e-bike, but it's got pedals too. Oh wait, I didn't even peel this off. Oops. Shout out those kids. If you guys are watching that, shout out you guys. Talking about this TIF Gallop Fireman 110 a little bit more. So overall thoughts, I guess I'm just gonna break down the bike for you guys real quick. So starting off, this is a pedal bike and a e-bike hybrid. So you have a throttle right here. It's like a half throttle. So this doesn't move, but the inner quarter does. And then you have pedals as well and a full drivetrain with 7 gears that you're able to shift through. Starting off, you do have your rear brake on this side and your front brake over here. Getting into this thing, it has a digital screen, it has a headlight, it has nice fenders, it has front and rear brakes like we just talked about. It has a rear shock, nice comfortable and almost grip style seat. Nice beefy tires, front and rear. So yeah, this thing comes pretty loaded. You can adjust the rear shock as well as the compression on the forks. So that's pretty sick for an e-bike. Some things real quick. Let's go. Oh, sorry, cameraman. I did not mean to do that. He just quit. All right, so I'm gonna pop this thing on. So you hold the power button down. It'll throw it into a lock mode. I've got the key in my pocket. Here is the key. Bang, just like that. Bike's unlocked, ready to go. And so basically you have your mile per hour. It's got a full odometer. So you've got your speed and your miles, your trip reading, and your battery life. Yeah, so it's got a horn. And then it's got a headlight functioning where you can turn it off and on. You've got 3 modes, E, D and S. It took about maybe an hour and a half or so to fully piece it together. And then today we went ahead and just threw the rear shock on because that was the last thing we were missing. Other than that though, fully pieced together. I'm hyped. I'm ready to test this thing out and really put it to the test and show you guys what this thing is capable of. That's enough yapping. I have my helmet over here, so I'm gonna get geared up. We're gonna hop on this thing and I'm gonna show you guys what this thing is made of. So stay tuned and I'll be right back with you guys. All right guys, so I'm now geared up. I've got the helmet on, I've got my gloves on. Yes, I know I need new gloves, but that's not the point of today's video. This is the point of today's video. So now that I have my helmet on and I'm talking to you guys with my GoPro, and by the way, shout out GoPro. If you do need any camera equipment or anything GoPro related, use code YAM10 at checkout and you'll be able to get 10% off your next order. This thing is pretty sick. It's a little bit different. It's not gas powered like my other bikes over here. This thing is electric with pedals, so it's almost like a hybrid. Now, as you can probably tell, this looks pretty slick with the fenders. Purple looks pretty nice, and the nice beefy tires, front and rear brake. We have a 7-speed drivetrain over here with buttons where you can shift through gears. Not only that, you have a headlight, a tail light, a brake light, buttons, horn lights, compression dampening. You have a rear shock. This is the key. So it's wireless. Let's go ahead and turn this thing on. So we're gonna hold the power button down. See how it's locked? Bang. Just like that, it is unlocked. Full battery. Let's go ahead and hop on this thing real quick. I've got my cameraman over there, Alex. He's on the TUTTIO. Shout out TUTTIO as well. They sent that bike out to me for sponsor and review, and so that's going to be my cameraman's choice of transportation today. Basically, we're on a pedal bike right now. We're just pedaling. I'm in gear 1, so I'm going downhill. I'm picking up speed. We're going to shift to second, third, fourth, fifth. And when you do that, you get pedal pressure as the speed goes up. So I'm going 18 miles an hour right now. I mean, we're cruising like a car. So brakes are solid. We're gonna put the thing back down into first. We're just gonna take it around the neighborhood for a second. I'm gonna give you guys a solid breakdown about power, shifting, how the brakes feel, and all the ins and outs and goodies of this bike. And then what I think it's going to be good for and what you guys would want to pick this up for. I'm gonna turn on some electricity and we're gonna go to second, power 2. So if you don't want to pedal, you don't have to pedal. I'm just giving it throttle right now. See that? I'm not using the pedals and we're going about 18 miles an hour. I'm gonna shift up to speed. I'm gonna go into 7th gear, give it some throttle, and just like that, we're chilling at 18 miles an hour, just with ease, bro, with ease. It's a little bit different. It's nothing like a liter bike. It's nothing like the gas powered bike. And I'm done pedaling, just like that. Coming up to a stop sign, use the brakes as normal. They're really solid. But back on the throttle as normal. Now some with the throttle like we covered, it is just a half throttle. So the full thing isn't a twist. It is just a half throttle, which is kind of sick. If you need to honk at somebody that can't see you, because people don't pay attention to us on 2 wheels. What is bro doing? I'm gonna go up to power 3. We're gonna go a little bit faster. So we're sitting at 25 miles an hour, 26. See if we can go any faster than that with pedaling. 27. Okay, 27 miles an hour. That's not bad. I've already made it outside my neighborhood. It's only been a few minutes. So if you guys are younger, or if you want something cheaper, you want something for short commutes, you want something that you don't want to start up a bike every time, check the oil, you don't want to do all the routine maintenance. These are almost maintenance free. These bikes are like any e-bike, as a matter of fact. Oh, we got some water. Try not to get this thing too dirty. Oh no! Is it all over my shirt? Oh no. Guys, my shirt is cooked. We're gonna act like that didn't happen. It is what it is. Okay, let's get out of here. We're off. We're back like nothing ever happened. Feels really nimble too. Like, look at this. It's got the active shock too. Like, I can feel it absorbing a lot of these bumps. This thing has 3 power modes. E, D, and S, S being the most powerful. Now this makes sense. Let's just say you want something for, yeah, short commuting, a little gas station run, maybe you want to get to work, or a backup toy, a backup
commuter bike, whatever it is, dude, this is a great choice. These are coming in around $1,500. The Tifka Lob Fireman 110. Just like that, we're eating curbs, bro. This thing can eat a curb like nothing. I'm gonna show you guys some off-roading. Might as well, dude. It can do it. I know you guys see the beefy tires and the suspension. Not only that, it's electric too. Why not? Bro, this thing is sick, dude. I can take this wherever I want. Not only that, if it ever runs out of power, it's still a pedal bike. Dude, it's eating curbs. It's eating curbs. Literally pacing traffic. Look at that. He's going a little bit faster. That means he's speeding. So this is a 25-mile-per-hour road. Oh. So I guess top speed on this thing, we've got it up to about 27 miles per hour so far. That's been the fastest. Oh, the brakes are so solid. So nimble, bro. This thing's so nimble. Let me hop on that TUTTIO real fast. I saw these kids hitting this jump the other day. Are you serious? Yeah. Get back here. I'm coming for you. Alright, swap me back. This thing eats it. Hell yeah. Nice. Suspension's not bad at all. I don't even know how I did it. I'm 27 miles per hour. Not bad. And the brakes are solid. You can brake on a dime. And you can lock them up. I'm gonna give you guys my quick thoughts on this e-bike.
I absolve you of your sins. You have been forgiven.
All right, guys, it is the next day. Yesterday we got tied up and I wasn't able to shoot an outro on this thing right here. This is the Tifka Fireman RSV 110. If you want one of these, check out tifgallup.com. They've got a ton of other products, not just this. What this is coming in is around like $1,400, so it's not bad for the price. You're gonna save a lot of money with this. So if you want something where you're gonna save money, short commutes, grocery getter, if you wanna go to the store, anything like around the neighborhood, down to a friend's house, to work and back, pretty solid mile radius. And not only that, it comes with a screen, headlight, brake light, so it is street legal. Honestly, pretty solid of a bike. Pretty satisfied with this bike right here. If you guys did enjoy, like, comment, sub. This video is a little out of my niche. Comment down below, what do you think about e-bikes? Like, comment, sub. I'm gonna see you guys in another one. Peace.